السلام عليكم. أهلا بكم في معهد دمشق.
السلام عليكم أيها الإخوة كيف حالكم لعلكم بخير. So today we will be learning about the verbs in the dual. So Arabic distinguishes between two things or people, the dual, and more than two, the plural. So we have plural and the dual. So the dual verb endings have deliberately separated so that you can tackle them only when you are confident with the other aspects and types of the verb. So there are three different dual endings for the following. We have antuma, which means you two, both masculine and feminine. Homa, which for masculine, and homa, which is also for they too, feminine. Note, although the word for the dual they is homa for both masculine and feminine, the verb endings are different. So here are the dual endings for the verb to write kataba yaktubu. Antuma katabtuma. We add this ending to the end of the root kataba. Tuma is added. Then we have present taktuban. Subjunctive will be taktuba and the imperative or the jussive will be taktuba. Okay. So kataba yaktubani yaktuba yaktuba. We drop the noon for the subjunctive. Huma katabta taktubani is the present and we drop the noun for subjunctive and jussive respectively. Note the dual loses the final noun in the subjunctive and the jussive as the masculine plurals do. So irregular verbs will follow the same rules in the dual as those for other parts of the verb. Also note, like the plural, a verb will only be dual if it comes after the subject. Otherwise it will be singular. So العائلتان هاجرتا. They immigrated إلى كندا بعد الحرب after the war. هذان الفيلان يشتركان في عروض السيرك. The circus paradise. تريد ابنتي أن أن تتفوق في امتحان اللغة الفرنسية. So the verbs with four root letters, quadrilaterals. Now we'll be working on them. Most verbs have three root letters. Few of them have four, and they are called quadrilateral or rubai. A few of these verbs are reasonably common. You need to recognize them. So basic quadrilateral, their vowel are similar to form two of a trilateral verb. Past tense is vowels with fathas, and the present with them fatha kasra. Dahraj, rolled. Yudahrij, rolls. The active participle mudahrij, rolling. Mudahraj, rolled, has been rolled. The most common verbal noun pattern from a present quadrilateral verb, daharaja, although some minor variations exist, with many verbs with these four letters are in fact created by repeating same sequence of two letters, and this is often used as onomatopic verbs. Yusarsir, to chatter. Yughargir, to gargle. Yutamtim, to mutter. Yudandin, to hum. So they sound similar to their meaning. So these are their forms. Practice form 3 extinct. No more than a handful of verbs are in other two forms. However, for sake of these verbs, here are their past, present in form 2 and 4. Tafalsaf, philosophize. Yatafalsaf, philosophizes. Ikshar, shaded or cracked. Yakshair, shudders. And here are some examples in their context. أدندن تحت الدش. I hum in the shower. أنت تصرصرين على التليفون منذ الصباح. You have been chatting on the phone. تسلسلت أحداث الفيلم بإيقاع سريع. and الخشب الرطب يطقطق في المدفأ. The damp wood crackles in the fireplace. So this is all from today's lecture, and tomorrow we'll be working on our grand video, which is the top 400 verbs of Arabic that you require to learn the language. So, top 400 verbs. Uh, See you soon. Subscribe to the channel and comment if you have any questions below. مع السلامة.